NEC section 430.22 subsection states that a feeder shall be rated at not less than 125% of the maximum possible load. In this situation, the maintenance director's opinion is incorrect. The existing 2000 amp switchgear is likely insufficient for the new load. NEC section 430.22 subsection B stipulates that the feeder must be rated at the machine rating, not the running draw. The machine rating considers the maximum possible load, even if it's not continuously reached during normal operation. To determine if the existing switchgear is sufficient, we need to calculate the maximum possible load, assuming all loads are continuous. This involves adding the amperage of all equipment that is being powered, and then applying the 125% rule. In this case, you would add 200 amps for the parts washer, 100 amps for the 600-ton press, 600 amps for the 1200-ton press, and 1000 amps for the new 1000-ton press. This results in a total of 2000 amps. Multiplying this total of 2000 amps by 1.25 gives us 2500 amps. Since the existing switchgear is rated at 2000 amps, and the calculated load is 2500 amps, the existing switchgear is insufficient. The existing machinery connected to the 1200 amp bus plug has the following machine ratings: 2 400 amp units, 1 100 amp unit, 5 20 amp units, 1 30 amp unit, and 1 50 amp unit. Adding those values of 2 400 amp units, 1 100 amp unit, 5 20 amp units, 1 30 amp unit, and 1 50 amp unit yields 1220 amps. Since the bus plug is rated at 1200 amps and the calculated load is 1220 amps, the existing bus plug is also insufficient. It is essential to correctly interpret and apply the NEC. The feeder must be rated at the machine rating, not the running draw, as outlined in NEC section 430.22 subsection B. This code section is critical when evaluating the adequacy of electrical systems, especially when adding new loads or machinery. Always consult with a qualified electrical engineer or inspector to ensure compliance with local and national codes and standards.